Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be a Zara haul. I got some really beautiful pieces. I'm literally eyeing one that I want to wear tomorrow as I'm going to Vista Village, and I've got everything else like the handbag, the shoes, even the underwear. But this dress, I'm really excited. We're going to try it on first. What I'm wearing today is just a really simple long maxi dress. I'll put a link in the description bar if I can find it. I got it from Debenhams. Yeah, but thank you so much for watching, and let's get straight into this video. Okay, here's the first dress. Do you love it? Yeah? It's £50 from Zara. Love the print of it. It's a full-on dress, really long dress, covered in this beautiful pink, purple, orange, yellow, blue, just really colourful, really gorgeous. So it's like a shirt effect here in the top, and you've got the buttons. It's got a bit of a hole here, but I'm wearing a padded bra, so that's, if I was to wear like a bra that's not as padded, this is a Victoria's Secret padded one, so that's probably why. But if I don't wear such a padded bra, it won't be such a big effect. A nice belt here, and if I take off the belt, you can see that the way the stitching has been done, it really like shows off the figure and like snatches you in. So you can see even without the belt, it's pretty tight. Well, not tight, it doesn't feel tight on, but you know, snatched. I think we just want to make that waist even smaller, put the belt on. So the sleeves are a bit weird. They're like 3/4 sleeves and a bit long, oh sorry, a bit wide at the bottom, but I really like it. I love this dress. I just showed a picture to my mom and she's amazed. She thinks it's amazing. I would wear this. Okay, I'm going out tomorrow. I'm going to Vista Village. I'm going to wear this, and I'm going to match it with these shoes that I got from ASOS. I'll link my ASOS shoe haul, and I'm going to wear these to Vista because I'll be walking around and I want to be comfortable. However, I would also wear it out for lunch. Maybe high tea. You could do high tea at Harrods, you could do high tea at Luton Hoo, and I would wear these. These are from Debenhams. They're the Faith collection. Don't remember how much they were. It doesn't have a price at the bottom, but yeah, really work beautiful with this. When I go shopping, I buy things and I actually wear them, because I used to just shop, but now, okay, I still shop. But now I like try and shop with a purpose. Like, oh my god, I want to wear these. My mom's shoes are so beautiful. These are all my mom's shoes. I've picked out a lot of them and they're so beautiful. But I'm getting distracted. Yeah. Really, really nice dress. So yeah, full length dress. Very elegant, very classy. It's a nice dress, I would say, for a date out. You know, if you go on a date with a certain high caliber man or guy where you want to be feminine and, you know, girly, but you don't want to show everything off, like, you know, be classy. I'm going to pair it up with this bag that I got from Bono. I'm pronouncing it correctly, I don't know. It comes with this pearl. Well, actually no, the bag doesn't come with the pearl. I got the pearl added to the bag. It has this really long strap. It's vegan leather. I'm going to also do a dedicated video. I'll put links here. I always say I'm going to do that, but I don't. If I don't do them here, I'll put them down below. But yeah, I'll wear it with this bag, either on the shoulder, or I may take the strap off or put it in the bag and then just wear it with the pearl and just kind of go on like this. So yes. Oh, imagine if I was in Lake Como or in Venice. Oh, this is where this dress should be. Next up is this kind of work outfit. Like the trousers, they're a bit on the see-through side, and so is the shirt. So I like the look, but I'm not 100% feeling the material and the quality of it. Love how they have pockets and it's stretchy here. It's got elastic at the back, which makes it really nice and stretchy. They are super long, so I won't be able to wear them with flats. I would have to wear heels or boots, something just to give me a bit more elevation. Not too much elevation. I'm like 5'3", so like just 3 inches would be more than enough. I really like the trousers, but I don't know, I'm not in love with this outfit. It's kind of like a workwear outfit, or just, you know, really chill vibes when you don't want to wear a dress or skirt. You kind of want to be a bit more in your masculine, a bit more comfortable. Yeah, I like it, but I don't love it, and I want to love my items. But this shirt is really long. I'll just show you. It's such a long shirt. But it's satin, and as you can see, it's super see-through, which is not really good. Don't think it's really worth the money. And I wish the trousers were just a bit thicker. But they're okay. Like if in the summer, autumn time, they're perfect. Where you want something really nice and breathable. I'm just looking for the label. Okay, so the pants are £30 and they're size small. So £30, I don't think this is worth it. I would probably wait for the Zara sale and see if they're in the sale. I would probably pay maximum £15 for this. That last dress I tried on was extra small and it was £50. This top is also extra small and it's £25.99. Again, don't think it's worth it for something that's sort of see-through. Yeah, I'm not quite feeling it. I have a thicker top than this, so it's gonna go. So I also got this tank top, like the wide strap, stretchy one. I already have one in the same color, but it's been worn a lot of times and it's kind of dull and it just needed a replace, to be honest. It's only $9.99, so it's, you know, not too expensive. But yeah, you can also wear it like this if you decide you want these trousers. They're really see-through. I am also wearing orange underwear, so you can like see my underwear. But yeah, like this top. Pretty sure I got it in a size small. It's so versatile. You can wear so many things, and it shows off your ladies, especially if you wear Victoria's Secret bra. And what I like about it is it's double lined, so you don't actually have to wear a bra, so long as it's not too cold outside. So you know, sometimes, like, you know, you can see when it's cold, they get very sensitive. But you can go braless, which is also nice, and you do feel supported. So yeah, got this top as well. Basic but needed. Next up is this bead dress. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. Like, I just love touching it. It's from Zara as well, and it's a Zara try-on top, and I'm like, it's from Zara. This bead dress is gorgeous. It's like knitted as well. Oh, it's so elegant. I would love to wear this. You know where I would wear this? Shaka Zulu. It's a South African restaurant in Camden, I believe, and yeah, amazing. I've been there before. I took my mom for her birthday. I'm pretty sure they serve zebra, and you can have crocodile cigars, like not the cigars, but like as a starter. Really nice restaurant. Go there. This is perfect for it. Absolutely perfect. And you know, keep it simple, some flats or wear some cute little heels. It's $89.99 and I got it in a size small. As you can see, I've gone braless just because of the way the dress is. It's so gorgeous. Oh, I want to go back to Shaka Zulu. These dresses just make me want to go outside. I love going outside. Show up to a date looking like this. And if he doesn't, you know, give you what you want at the end of the night, then I don't know. How beautiful is this dress? Only problem I have with it is like the boobie section and this section, because you can't really, or the bra I was wearing I couldn't wear. I have to look for, I guess, a smaller bra, because I do need a little help and support there. But the rest of it, honey, it's gorgeous and it's perfect. Nice long zip. Very sexy dress. Really love it. Yeah, really love it. Fits like a glove, like here. Just needs a bit more extra support, and you know, more. I need more boobs here, and I haven't got them. But yeah, really love this dress. It is in a size small, and I got it. Oh, it's £50. It's a bit pricey for £50, but I look good. That's the thing, like, I look good. The problem is, like, the other dress is £50. I can see like why it is, because when you style it up, it looks expensive. Whereas this one, I guess it still looks nice. I would have preferred it to be like £30. That's a nice surprise. But you know, it's a nice dress. I put on some weight because this is a small, and it's, you know, holding. Zara has some beautiful dresses. Like, look at this. This is so much fun. Let me just check the thing is actually, yeah, it is actually recording. I wasn't sure. So no boob, no bra, just straight body. body. I love the cage effect here in the front. It's a cute little mini dress. Don't know where I'm going to wear it though. Like, it's cute, but this is not me. Because if I had a boyfriend, then I could wear it with him. But I don't have a boyfriend and I don't want to wear this because men might assume things about me. Because I look good. Like, the body looks snatched. And I'll show you the side view and the back. Got it in a size small and it's £20. Like, this is a nice, you know, nice little dress you can keep in. I just don't know where I'm going to wear it. Yeah, I can't even think where I would wear it because I can't wear it on a date. It's too, I like, when I go out, I want to date, you know, men that are like up here, and right now it's the 4th time we're going out, so I'm still keeping it conservative and classy. This is more like, you know, once you've been dating them for a couple months and you're together now, you know, so you just want to show off. Next up is this black dress. I like it, it's cute, it's definitely my vibe. I just wish it was longer. I was trying to look for the long one because I have the white one, like, which is like down to my knees, but I couldn't find it, so I thought I would try this one, but it's too short for me. I'm more of a conservative dresser. I don't really like, I like to be more covered up in my honest opinion. So yeah, I like it, but I don't see myself wearing it. Like, I could wear it, but I don't know, it's just, I wouldn't feel as comfortable as I would with something a bit longer. The length is okay, like, it's not like super short. Like, I could just wear some trainers with it. I don't know, I'll think about it, because sometimes I think I do dress a little bit too conservative, like a little bit too mature at times. But I think because also the season that we're in, we're going now into winter, and you know, the UK can be so cold. Had it been like start of the year, I probably would have been more open to keeping it, because I'll be like, oh, I can wear it, you know, on the dull days during the summer. But because, you know, it's going to be autumn, then winter, I don't even know where I'm going to wear it, because it's too cold to wear anyway. But yeah, like the polo effect, like, you know, t-shirt effect. Really, really cute dress. Got it in a size small and it's 18. Decided to put on my glasses because I actually need them, and I think I would wear this outfit with my glasses on and pair it up with some nice booties. But having looked at it in the mirror, I think it's a nice piece, but I'm not in love with it. Yeah, it's cute, too conservative maybe. Let's see if we can take off the buttons and see if it's nicer without all the buttons. I mean, I don't know. It's not a love, it's cute. I would wear with some thigh-high black boots or just some booties. But I don't think I really love this piece. I love the sides though. I love the stitching and the fact that you can like tie it up. That's really nice. And the back is okay. Yeah, I don't really like this. I think it's quite boring, so I think it's gonna go back. Next up is this really colourful cardi. It's so cute. It's a little tight here. I'm not sure why. Pretty sure I got a size small. Really, really love all the multicolor fit. Perfect for this, you know, autumn up and coming season. Just matched it up with some white jeans. Really cute. Yeah, just casual, you know, if you just want to go out, just be relaxed. I love dressing up, but not every day is a dress up occasion. Like if you're running errands and you just want to be warm but look cute still. You could also style it up differently. These jeans I got from River Island quite some time ago, just some skinnies, jegging type. I'm going to put a leather skirt on as well so you can see. Okay, this does not work as nice as I thought it would. This leather skirt and the jumper, the cardigan. But you know, you kind of get the gist of it. You can wear it with different things. But yeah, that's the video done. This is the last piece. This skirt is also Zara in the other video, but my camera is flashing, so I have to go.